Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to get free Salesforce Agentforce Specialist certification 2025. Worth each $200 approx and get certified first. So Salesforce a certified Agentforce specialized. This is a certification provided by the Salesforce and certified agent force especially are responsible for the managing optimizing the agent force and have a deep understanding of the both Salesforce platform and configuration and agent force capabilities. So this is the registration link. We'll go through this. So you can see here price is zero and you can register now, and this is the Salesforce. So register now, click on the register now. So you must log out the your previous register the exam. Okay, continue browsing. Okay. So you can log in with the one of them. So I'm logging with the Gmail. Now I'm logged in. Now you can register the exam. So you can go through the test center or online. So I'm going through the online. So I confirm schedule now. So this is the Pearson view. So so prepare the take your exam with the OnView. So OnView is providing by the Pearson View. You have given the Azure certifications and other certifications on the Pearson View. So the same steps is there. So click on next. Select your exam language. So this is the AI 201 Salesforce Certified Agent Force Specialist. So check your preferred language. Click on next. So agree to online exam and Salesforce policies. So give the permission for all. Click on agree. Next, find a appointment. So I'm from India, so Asia Kolkata is my time zone. So that's right. So here you can select the date. Check with the date September, any date. You can reschedule this one also. So so there is a time is recommended time is there. You can go with the explore the time. You can check one of them. Just like if you go through the evening time, then you can go like this. So 7 p.m. approx and book the appointment. So cart in cart you can able to see this one. So provided 100% off of this price for the AI first attempt. So first attempt you will get the 100% discount on this. So proceed to checkout. So this is the payment detail and we have to pay 0 USD. So click on next. Almost there. So all the details is there. Okay. My name and other details you will get, and total USD we are paying 00. So submit the order. So it's time to take your test your system. You can test your system. You can run the system test, and you can test your system is means suitable for this test or not. There is a minimum requirement is there. Just go through this. and your appointment date, time, and let me open my Gmail. So So here you will get a Salesforce certification. Yeah, hi, my name is there, and all the details for the certification you are getting this, and term and conditions, agreements, and all the things. If you want to reschedule that, then you have to log into the your account again, and you can reschedule the exam. So minimum requirements is not showing now. Okay, that's not a problem. So you can see the minimum requirement and other details are there. Okay, so must provide the suitable device and network connectivity. These things are there. So this is the good certification, and this is approx $200 certification is there, and get it for free. So you can search the certification cost also. So $200. So in this video, we have learned free Salesforce Agentforce Specialist Certification 2025 worth is $200. Get certified first, and Salesforce Agentforce Certification exam. And this is the URL where you can register for the exam. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process on the video. Please subscribe YouTube channel for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.